Hi there, Gorfin here, your digital guy who likes digital cards. 20 packs of NBA Dunk Elite 2021-22 are waiting to get ripped. Hopes are high, so let's get it on. Starting with a Russell Westbrook star status. Each pack should contain 6 cards. At least one insert and one rookie. And our first rookie is Jonathan Kuminga. Steph Curry, star status. Trey Murphy is the rookie card this time. We got a letter A for Ja Morant. Dang! A numbered Blake Griffin 19 out of 100. Nice hit, looks like the card gods are with me today. And a Trey Man rookie card. AN, for Giannis, there are a lot of letters to collect with him. Bones Highland, rookie card. Fred VanVleet, power formulas. Miles McBride rookie card. A nice LeBron James star status. By the way, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss anything anymore. Davion Mitchell, rookie. Anthony Davis, star status. Isaiah Jackson rookie card. Already at pack number 8, with VanVleet duplicate. Should not unsettle us, there are enough different inserts in here, just bad luck. And a Aaron Wiggins rookie. Joel Embiid, star status. Oh! A Rasheed Wallace autograph, nice one. Kristaps Porzingis auto, numbered 93 out of 500, what a pack. The rookie is Corey Kispert. Bradley Beal, star status. And again, Trey Murphy, rookie. On to pack number 11. Power formulas, Colin Sexton. Usman Garuba, rookie card. Woo, something different, Anthony Davis, primary colors. And Joshua Primo rookie. Ben Simmons, power formulas. On we go, Anthony Hardaway auto, numbered 30 out of 100. Woho, and a Stephen Curry numbered 42 out of 500. Now that's what I call a pack. Brandon Boston rookie. Devin Booker, star status. Another Isaiah Jackson rookie. Pack number 15. Ben Simmons, power formulas, again. Jericho Sims, rookie. Another letter for Ja Morant. Chris Duarte, rookie card. L, like Zion Williamson, but I like the spellbound cards. Charles Oakley auto. And a Josh Giddey rookie card. Chris Paul, power formulas. Jared Butler, rookie. Last pack, actually we had already meet what with it, perhaps still some last pack magic. Zion Williamson, star status. And our last rookie is Jalen Johnson. Okay, I think there was a lot to get today. I am quite satisfied. What do you think of Elite 21? Do you like the clear design? Write it to your digital guy in the comments. Hope to see you again. Gorfin out.